In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client sub-account on GoHighLevel. Start by heading to your Agency View Launchpad. This is the home base for your overall platform management. Think billing, snapshots, and all client locations under one roof. It's different from the company or location view, which is where day-to-day operations for a single client happen, like managing conversations, calendars, and automations specific to that one account. For creating new client workspaces, you'll always begin in Agency View. Once you're there, click on Sub-Accounts. Sub-accounts are individual client workspaces that live under your agency umbrella. Each one keeps data, pipelines, contacts, and automations separate, so every client has their own clean environment, permissions, and reporting. This structure helps you scale while maintaining organization and privacy across clients. Next, click Create Sub-Account. When prompted to choose a snapshot, select the blank snapshot. A snapshot is a bundle of assets, funnels, workflows, templates that can preload into a new sub-account. The blank option is recommended here because it gives you a clean slate, avoids clutter you don't need, and lets you tailor the setup to the client's exact requirements. You can always import or layer snapshots later. For this example, choose Add Manually. That means you'll type in the details yourself rather than importing from a source. It's straightforward and gives you full control over the initial setup. Enter the client's first name and last name. Use the primary point of contact who will receive the login invite. Add their email. Double-check it for accuracy since onboarding messages will go there. Enter the business phone number. Use an active, reachable line that the client prefers for account communications. Select the business niche. This helps with organizing your accounts and can influence recommended templates and future automations. Picking the most accurate niche now will save time when you begin building funnels, workflows, and reports tailored to that industry. Fill out the business address, including street address, city, and state. If there's a drop-down, select the correct state from the list to avoid formatting errors. Add the zip code. Accurate location details support local SEO tools, calendar settings, and time-based triggers later on. Set the time zone for the sub-account. This is critical. It ensures that calendars, appointments, automation delays, timestamps, and outgoing messages align with the client's local time, improving deliverability and preventing after-hours communications. Finally, click Add Sub-Account. That's it. You've successfully created a GoHighLevel sub-account. From here you can customize permissions, connect integrations, and start building. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to subscribe for more.